Hey guys, this is Robert with RC1 Hobbies, and I wanted to do an unboxing of the Horizon Inductrix FPV Plus. I was told that this is a stronger drone. It says here more powerful and better to fly outside. So this is the ready to fly version. It's a Blade series. This one is it is equipped with a first person view camera, a 4.3 inch monitor. So we want to take a look at this, see what's inside. Okay, let's open it up. Everything included, even the double A's, which is nice. USB port and the monitor. Alright, let's see if we can get this thing. Oh, look at that. Alright, here we have the drone that is slightly bigger than the Inductrix. And here's the standard Inductrix here. This says Inductrix Blade. This is Inductrix FPV Plus. So you can see the size difference. With the camera, the antenna, nice size battery. I'm interested to see how long this battery lasts. Very, very strong feeling. Which seems much stronger than the other one, the Inductrix. Typical hardware here to screw onto the front of the controller. We have some extra. There's some extra features here. You have to read the manual and find out what these features are for. Then we have the hardware to bolt on the FPV. I've had the other version. I haven't had this one, so this is a little familiar to me. Like so. And then we get the monitor, clamp it in there. I have obviously the AA batteries and the USB battery charger. Got to get that thing charged up. Got to take that and get charged up. Take it out. So then let's get to the monitor. And then we have the antenna, which screws on the top here. And here's where we mount your monitor for flying FPV. This is really nice. Just what I expected. And And there you have it. What's inside the Blade Inductrix FPV Plus. So excited to fly this, can't wait to see the camera work and the monitor work and see what a great signal we can get. So we'll get back to the review next. Hey guys, we're going to do a little flight test. Here we're not going to use the video, so we're going to just do a little flight test so you can see what it does when trying to fly. It has 3 modes. You'll see these colors here. So green mode is going to be less agile, less unstable. It's going to help you keep stability on it. Blue is going to be more agile, a little harder to control. And then I don't even try to fly it on the red because it doesn't have anything helping it steady. It totally will go crazy, and I can't handle that. I'm definitely not that good. So I would rate myself as an intermediate drone pilot. I've been flying drones probably about 2 years or so. I don't fly a lot. So let's see if we can get this guy. I found out that the blinking white tells you it's not activated, and then you push down on the left joystick and that'll activate it. Push down on the left joystick, turn off the motors. So I always fly the drone facing away from me, so my left is all left and the right is right. If you fly it facing you, your left will go right and your right will go left. So we're going to do it like this. And another thing I noticed is on the joystick in this green mode, the safe flying mode, or beginner flying mode, it doesn't take off till you get past the center point on the joystick. So it won't start to take off till you get up here. With the next mode, it'll take off from the beginning of the movement. So just to show you what I'm talking about, we're going to start the motors, move the joystick, nothing's happening until we get up here. So it definitely has power, a lot of power. But it's hyper. It's not super accurate with the joystick. There's kind of a lot of movement to get it to move. So it's herky and jerky, and by my standards, compared to the Inductrix, it's kind of jerky. So it's quick up and then hard to get it to hover. So it was definitely better to fly outdoors because it's not super sensitive. I move a lot of movement on the joystick to get it to move, and then it kind of overcompensate kind of thing. But it's steady. It's definitely a steady drone. I'm going to move the camera up so maybe you can get a little more. You see there's a lot of up and down until I get it steady, and then even when I think it's steady, it starts going up. So, you know, that's a hard landing compared to what I want to do. So now I'm going to try the blue mode so you can see what I'm talking about with the joystick. See, so I'm all the way down and I instantly get a response. And it's a little lagging. It seems to be a little more sensitive there. It's got a lot more movement, but it seems to be a little more relative to the joystick movement on this. So I kind of like this mode better, but it's definitely more agile here. It's more quick to move. The pitch is steeper, so it's going to have some pretty good thrust. So it's designed to fly outdoors, so it's a strong drone. So this drone retails, I think it was $229. I have to look at the receipt. With everything included, with the everything that we showed before. So it's not a bad price. Haven't done a full test of flying yet. This is just my first impressions, which so far for the beginner, I'm not sure if you want to do this, but I would try something else first, maybe the Inductrix. So I want to fly that and show you the comparison to the Inductrix standard one, and this is the Inductrix FPV Plus.